name is Johnas Fon. I'm the Director of Security for Park Hyatt Dubai and Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club. Today I'm going to take you through our fire emergency and evacuation procedures. In case of a fire, building fire alarm system will sound. Proceed to the nearest fire assembly point. Security and engineering will respond to the location for a further check. If confirmed there is a fire, security will call the civil defense. Let us know in case somebody is missing and still trapped in the building. So I can give this list to the civil defense. Staff one side, guest one side. One of our members will be in charge of staff marshals, taking care of the staff, and the one of us will be in charge of the guests. In case of any injury, be it for the guests or the staff, please report straight to the chief warden so that he or she can hand over the names to civil defense and the paramedics who are on the way to the building. At the assembly point, the emergency response team, including first aid personnel, will assist both the guests and the colleagues. Everyone is advised to stay at the assembly point unless an all clear is given by the civil defense. An all clear has been given to us. In case of any fire or any emergency, please call 997 or that you can call our on-duty security mobile. Thank you. Have a nice day.